Hello, how is it going? This is Navy Chen from Plainvim International Industrial Parks. Would you like to have a cup of coffee to freshen up? It's on me. Today, I would like to discuss a bit about how to build a green factory. I'm proud to say that Plainvim has put a lot of effort into building factories that's both environmentally friendly and carbon neutral. It's well known that industrial manufacturing activities accounts for 21% of the global greenhouse effect. So when we design the factories in Plainvim Industrial Parks, we have been laser focused on how to help our clients to save energy and cost, so they can be environmentally friendly too. Let's take a close look at the top of the factory. You can see we have built the lighting panels on the roof, which brings in natural light from the sun. Now, you may have heard power shortages in the summer times, when there is no power for manufacturing in some areas, 2 or 3 days, or even 5 to 6 days a week. Even you have enough power, the electricity cost can be a big burden for some manufacturing companies. With these special lighting panels, you don't need to turn on the light during daytime. So, you know how much power can be saved with these lighting panels annually. Let's do a quick math. Without these light panels, we have estimated that 100 LED lights needs to be installed in an 8,000 square meter factory to be reasonably visible. Each LED light is 0.2 kilowatts. So in the case of 8-hour lighting a day, the total power needed for one day is 160 kilowatt hours. So in a year, the number becomes 58,400 kilowatt hour, which may cost you around 46,000 RMB a year. So the design helps to save 58,400 kilowatt hour power. That's 46,000 RMB a year. Meanwhile, we have more to share on how we help our clients to save money and power. That's solar panel. This is the roof of the factories in Plainvim Industrial Parks. We fully support our clients to install solar panels so they can not only save cost for power, but also under the new regulations of many countries, for example, the European countries. The solar panels can even help companies who export goods to those countries to pay less carbon tax. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more videos of Plainvim Industrial Parks. Bye-bye.